show you how to play the Hillsong United song, God is Fighting For Us in Jesus' Name. If you want the letter notes for that, you go to LetterNotePlayer.com. I have them there for you. Let's start with that intro. Now they play it 3 or 4 times, but you're going to have, starts with a G, then an A, then a B, and then a D, but I'm going to play an F sharp in the bass. So I'm going to play the open 5th G, D, open 5th A, E, open 5th B, F sharp, and then an F sharp D, then back to this again. And then in the right here, all we're going to do is play B's and with an A. So it's 8 notes, but 7 of them are B's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. Now this one's different. B, 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 A, D, D, C sharp, C sharp. So you got 3 B's. A, D, D, C sharp, and then we're back to the same thing. And try to separate them if you can. So it doesn't blend together. And then I just end with the F sharp D with a B right there, and then we come right in with the melody. So I only have it in the letter notes, I only have it 3 times. You got it once, then you got it twice, then you got it 3 times. We end right here, and then the melody comes in up an octave. So it's just 3 B's, an A, and a B. B, 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 A, long B, long B. Then it stays on the A, and then we got A, A, D, C sharp, B, 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 C sharp, C sharp. So you got B, 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 C sharp, long C sharp, long C sharp, and then D, 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 E, E, F sharp, F sharp, D, A, F sharp. So the melody's going to go again, again, and then it changes to the A. A, then A, B, 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 C sharp, D, E, E, F sharp, F sharp, D, A, F sharp. And actually we play through that sequence 4 times. Now on the left hand you're going to do the same thing here. G, D, A and E, the B and the F sharp. Then we're going to do tricky here. It's going to go F sharp and C sharp to the F sharp and the D to the G, D. So I'll go through it slowly so that you can see it. So we end with this. There is you've got an F sharp minor chord. So see, we've got the G chord, G, D, B. Your G chord is G, A, B, G, B, D. I mean, sorry, G, D, G, B, D. So we've got the B up here and the G and the D down there. G chord. Now what that is it's probably actually, it's like either an A minor or an A major 9th chord. Got that with that B, you've got that over the A bass. Then we've got a B chord. Now it sounds like a B minor to me. Now here we've got a definite F sharp minor, because F sharp minor is black, white, black. F sharp, A, C sharp. So you've got the A here, and you've got the F sharp and the C sharp down at the bass. Then all we got to do is change that C sharp to a D, and we've got a D chord. So your D chord is D, F sharp, A. So we've got the A up here already. We've got the F sharp and the D, and then we go right back to the G chord, the A chord. That's A So we got the A and the E down here, the C sharp right there, and then we go down to the D, D, E, and this is definitely a B minor chord. See, so B, D, F sharp, and then we've got the D chord, D, A, F sharp, D, F sharp, A, your D chord. So it'll sound like. Switch to the D. See, the D chord leads to the G chord. It's like the 5 leading, or the 5 chord leading back to the G chord, back to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's the 5 chord in the key of G, and it automatically leads back to the key, the tonal center G. So when we go from the F sharp minor to the D chord, then we lead right back to the G chord. And we put that C sharp in there to get that C sharp right there in there with the A chord. And then we do it 3 more times. The refrain or the chorus, you've got F sharp A, F sharp A, F sharp A, B, F sharp, F sharp, D, G, F sharp, G, A, B, A. And then there's a little instrumental interlude between these phrases, D, E, B, A, F sharp, E, D. And then we go back to, so you come out of that, take that F sharp, we end on F sharp of that introductory sequence, we end on that F sharp, then we go into that refrain chorus, we go F sharp, A, and then we're going to have an A and an E in the bass, to a G and a D in the bass, to the D, back to the B and the D, then we got a C and an E, see, so we go to a C chord, C, E, G, back to the G, G and the D. So when we hit this A, there's your little interlude. D, A, D, E, B, A, F sharp, E, D. And then we go right back to the this time when you come out of it, we go right into the in Jesus' name, B, B, D, D, and we'll hit this D. Then you go to a C chord with the D. It's like a C ninth. See, that's that sound we're getting, but we're getting it out of 3 notes. C, E with a D right there. So that C chord sets us up for the C in Jesus' name. It sets us up for this C right here. We do it again. Then the last time, a little slower. add this D chord on top of that. Now they do a little of this. They do a little of that going. They do a little bit of that with the keyboard. But all you need right there is a C chord with the D on top of it. So we've got that sound. And maybe we're ending with this sound like a D ninth, but it's just a big chord sound right there to end it. So there you have it. God is fighting for us in Jesus' name. Hillsong does it. And I hope you enjoy it.